Baby, what's your rule about trust in a relationship?
If me have to check your phone every minute, then you're single, my friend.
What's your final dating sermon, Pastor Baby?
Brethren, if them stress you more than them bless you, cut them off.
Hallelujah. Baby, how you deal with jealousy in a relationship?
If my child hold your hand in public, my gun. You know, if you hide me like one teddy bear in a closet.
So, baby, what's your number one dating advice?
Don't text back too quick, make them wait. You must keep your mystery, boss.
How you know if somebody's serious in a relationship?
If them can't cook one little rice or peas, left them. Can't live on ramen noodle.
What's your red flag when dating?
If them not post your on status, you're his side chick material, my friend.
What kind of partner you recommend?
Date somebody who can buy a patty and cocoa bread. If I just patty alone, I'm not ready for commitment.
Yeah. Baby, what's your advice for dating broke people?
Love sweet, but rent not pay itself. I said date somebody who can at least buy wipes or pampers.